594 divided by 2 using the area model. First, make sure you set up your boxes with 3 spots for your 3 different place values. Then make sure that you label your place values with your hundreds place, your tens place, and your ones. Remember that your 2 goes on the side and 594 goes on the inside. If you need to, make sure you have your multiplication facts handy. Also remember our steps. Divide, multiply, subtract, repeat, and check. So first, let's divide. We're going to start dividing in the hundreds place. So that would be a 5. So we're going to look at our 2 times tables and see what's the closest we can get to 5 without going over, or think we have 5 babies and 2 people. So I see skip counting 2 times as the closest I can get there. So my 2 goes on the outside. Now I go on to multiplication. 200 times 2, or 2 times 2 plus 2 zeros, gives me 400. Then I know I subtract. That would leave me over with 194, which I'll bring over into my next place value. So now we're ready to repeat back to division. So we are in the tens place, but we have some hundreds left over that we're going to use. So let's see what's the closest we can get to 19 without going over. Oh, I see that's 18. We skip counted 9 times to get there. So your 9 goes on the outside. Now we've done our division, so let's multiply. 90 times 2 is 110. Then let's subtract, and that will give us 14, which will bring up to our next place value. Now we know that we're in the ones place, but we have some leftovers from our tens. If we skip count, we can get to exactly 14. That's skip counting 7 times. Now we multiply. 7 times 2 is 14. When we subtract those, we get 0. Do we have any place values left to repeat with? Nope, so we're going to check. Is 0 smaller than 2? Sure is. That means that our answer is a 2 in the hundreds place, a 9 in the tens place, a 7 in the ones place, giving us 297.